Hello dear friends, it's December 2021 and I decided to try something new. As you may already know me, I'm a .NET developer, mainly working with Windows machines for a long time, for more than 10 years, and I decided to try something new, so I have a box to show you. Here it is. There's something cool inside this box, so stay with me to see what's inside this box. First of all, I should admit that I never worked with the Mac system, so I even don't know the shortcuts and how to use it, so that's something I had to say. So let's start with our unboxing. I hope that it's a MacBook Air inside that and nothing more or nothing else. There's a nice packaging by Amazon. Yeah, here it is. The box. Okay. How should I open it? I like it. Seems that I have to cut through this one. As you can see, nice package. MacBook Air. Another package. We are just unboxing packages, so maybe it's too late, but more than a year after the release of MacBook Air M1, here is my MacBook Air M1. I bought it from Amazon. A very nice package. It's a base model. It's 256 gigabyte with 8 gigabyte of RAM. I hope that I won't face any problem with 8 gigabyte of RAM. But let's see, maybe after a month or two of real world usage, we can tell better about this. So it's time to open it. I really like this package. I bought a Lenovo last year. The package was not as cool as this one. Of course, Apple products are more expensive, but you feel that you get something premium. So I really like that feeling, and probably many. I'm not an Apple user. I don't have any iPhone. I use Android phones. And as I said already, I never had any MacBook. So this is my first taste of Apple product. I hope that I stay happy after 1 year. Yeah, here is the cool packaging. Let's see what's inside this box. This is the third box actually, so finally I think we will have something to show you. You may already are watching this video on a MacBook Air or MacBook Pro M1, so that's not something new for you, but that's something new for me, and hopefully for many people who are in doubt to whether buy this new processor, this new design. Of course the design is not new, but the processor and the chipset is completely new and redesigned, and maybe in the next year we will have a MacBook Air with M1 with M2 chip. Actually, I was in doubt between staying a bit longer or buying this product, but finally I made my decision and decided that time is more valuable, so let's have a M1, and maybe in the future, in the next year or next 2 year, we can upgrade. Okay, let's continue with the unboxing. Really nice package. The cable, which is hopefully there, and it's not excluded as similar to new iPhones that I've heard that there's no charger. It's written that designed by Apple in California, but made in China, definitely. Here is the charger. Bring it outside, yeah. I don't know how many watts does it have. Let's see what's in this package. Something about the laptop itself. Yeah, these are actually the manuals that no one reads ever. So here it is, and the packages stay here, and let's go to the actual product. The shiny MacBook Air Silver. The Apple logo on the back, and hopefully you can see that we have the base model here. So actually one of the I'm not a YouTuber, so one of the things that those famous YouTubers usually emphasize about the laptops is that you can open it with a single hand. Yeah. Wow. How Apple knows that I wanted to open it, I don't know. Yeah. Actually, you enjoy from my first experience, you enjoy looking at the laptop very much. It's really beautiful, maybe the most beautiful device that I've ever had or see. We have Surface laptops also. That was also one of the candidates, one of the choices that I could go for. But one cool thing about the MacBook Air is that it's cool. It doesn't have any fan, the MacBook Air M1, and that's really important for me. In the work, I have a Dell XPS 9500, which is quite powerful. But as soon as you start performing some heavy task, the fan is really noisy. I was talking about the fan noise that I noticed that the recording was stopped, so I need to repeat that. Actually, I told you about the fan noise problem with some of the uh, Windows machines that I've tried, and based on the fan noise you can guess the action that the user is doing. So this one hopefully is completely fanless, and there's no fan, so actually Apple advertised it's just air and nothing more. And so yeah, I think that's really cool. So removing the fan helped Apple to make this lightweight device and pretty thin. Yeah, if I close it, I'm not sure about the exact bit, but maybe I think 1.2 kilogram. So it's really cool if you travel a lot and you want to bring it with in your backpack. So it's really lightweight, and with this high quality hardware, you really enjoy using that. I also connected the device to the internet. Actually, I skipped the setup process, but it was much faster than a Windows machine that I tried last year, a Lenovo one. So I liked the experience. It was a bit similar to Windows, but definitely much faster to the first screen that you can see in the Mac. So let me, I connected my device to the Wi-Fi. So let me try to see how, if we can play some YouTube video. I don't know how to, I think I should press this one, yeah, to maximize it. 4K nature video. I want to show you the screen quality. Maybe this one.
Maximum taste, zero sugar.
And I
Gezocht,
think
collega met een flinke voorraad humor. Ga snel naar tempoteam.nl.
yeah, we can increase. Yeah, you hear the sound that I think is quite loud and high quality. Of course, someone with other Mac devices can tell the differences between this device and MacBook Pro much better. So yeah, the sound is quite loud. And also you can see, I think, how from which angle you can see the screen. Rotate it. To see that. Yeah, that's, I think, really good sound and video quality for such a small device, and at this price point, less than 1,000 euros here in Europe, or maybe similar in USA. And let me increase the quality to 4K. Yeah, I really like the sound and the quality of the picture. And I am currently using a Safari, but I never use that, so maybe that's my first usage. I should install also Chrome and other required tools for development. Maybe we can try one here to see how fast is it. Let's install Visual Studio Code. I think there's an M1 version, if I'm correct, a specific VS Code version specific to M1. Let's try this one if it works. Oh, cool. What should we do? I think we should open it in the Finder. The file is still downloading. So I want to stop the video. Yeah. Hopefully we have something similar to Alt-Tab, but it only, as I've heard from my friend, it only works with the previous window, not all of the Yeah, you can easily switch. So this keyboard shortcut is pretty similar to Windows. So one of the problems that I will face is the differences between the shortcuts of this Mac device and Windows machine. And I had to switch between these when I go to work and when I want to work with this one. So that's kind of interesting, I think, adventure. Let's see if we can install this one. I don't know how to install it. I never installed a tool in. Is an app downloaded from the internet? Are you sure you want to open it? Yes. Oh, there's no installation. I don't know. Actually, I have no idea about how Mac OS X installation works, but in any way, if it had installed, I am sure that it was not a portable version, but anyway, it worked, and yeah. And we can try to open maybe a file. There is no new file. Yeah, I want to show you the I don't know how to enlarge it. The font, control, gesture, I don't know. I just type to so that you can have a sense of how fast, so that you can have a sense of how fast you can type on this machine. Of course, the keyboard is quite good. Maybe not the best, but for someone who never worked with this keyboard, I found it pretty good, especially for software development. Yeah, I like it. I can say that it's good. Yeah, this is the unboxing video of my MacBook Air M1 8GB version with 256GB of storage. And I should say that as a long-time Windows developer, Windows user, and also a Microsoft developer, I really like the experience. The sound quality, maybe when you bring the sound to the highest level, is not very premium. And I cannot definitely say the exact differences between this machine and MacBook Pro. But I've heard that MacBook Pro sound is much better than this one. But actually it's quite loud in compared to other Windows machines. So you will definitely enjoy watching videos. But if sound is something that is really important for you, you should watch the comparison between this device and other devices with premium sound quality. But the screen is really great. I think it's quite bright and the colors are vivid, and you feel that the video is coming out of the screen. And yeah, this was the unboxing video of MacBook Air M1. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Have a good day.